Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing and demonstration video. Today I'm checking out these Weilailife 2K wireless Wi-Fi solar battery charged cameras. No wires, no nothing. You don't have to run a bunch of wires and all that. That's the thing of the past basically now. These hook right up to your Wi-Fi and you can view it on your app from wherever, so super handy, pretty cool here. Two-way audio communication, more than 50 meters of night vision. They support iPhone, iPad, Android, plug and play, digital zoom, dual light sources, 1080p. The waterproof rating is IP6, which is basically anything that you're not dunking your security camera underwater, it's going to be good. And H.265 compression mode, so that's super good. I believe that's the standard for YouTube. We got remote control, motion detection, all that good stuff. All right, enough. I know why you guys are here. I'm gonna be setting this up for you, showing you how it all works. Here we go. Right here on the top, we have some screws there for installation. Of course, we have USB to USB-C cables. We got 2 of those. And here we are. Here's one of the cameras right here, my friends. So we have our solar panel right here on top. And then we have this portion right here. Let's see here. That's adjustable, and that's going to be able to spin one way or the other also, I believe. So you should be able to aim this pretty any which way you want to. I just have to unscrew that if I want to tilt it down. So this is going to screw into our wall wherever we want it, and then we can loosen this. That adjusts our solar panel, so you can make sure it gets the optimal amount of light necessary. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe that this would spin also, but I'm not 100% sure because I haven't checked it out yet. So that's it. There's one of those. It actually comes with 2 of these. Here's the second one right here. And what else is in the bag? In the box here we have, these have some little antennas to make sure your signal is not going to be interrupted. A little screwdriver. That's a nice little bonus actually. And then least but not last, we have backup screw for camera, bottom horn cover. We have our little instructions there as well. No fear, my friends. I'm going to show you guys how to set this up, how it looks on the app and everything else. These, I'm wondering where I'm going to set this up because I have gables all the way around. It's closed gables. I'm sorry. So I don't have any open gables except I guess in the back of the house. So if you're just underneath the eaves, the overhang, can be maybe a little challenging to see where I'm going to mount this, where it's going to get enough sunlight. I had another camera where the solar panel was on a wire, so I could run it up above on top of my gutter, and that could get the light there. So might be a little challenge as to where I'm going to put this, and it's going to get enough light to sufficiently charge this. But these solar panels have come a long way, and even if they don't get full sunlight, they're still able to charge sufficiently. So let's go do it. Okay, once we have opened up download the app and just create an account real quick, just turn on the cameras by pressing the button for 3 seconds. It'll say configuration mode, so we can hit add camera. Okay, yes, allow, sure. And now it's should be adding them. Auto detecting nearby devices. Okay, open the app and click on the plus button to scan the code interface. All right, scan the QR code on the device. Oh, okay. So now you want to just scan the device's code there. Okay. Okay, say get it. Now keep the camera powered on and check if the light on the is flashing. If the light is not flashing, press and hold the reset button. Okay, so we have a flashing red light on it, so we click that. Just look on the front of the camera. And let's see, please confirm whether the device supports 5G. If not, please select the, okay, we want 2.4G. And we want to switch our Wi-Fi to the 2.4G. Okay, so it says face the QR code away from the lens and wait for the scan to give it a prompt sound. Okay, so here I am. There we go.
Wireless setting, please wait.
Okay, so we heard the prompt tone. And there it is connecting to the network. And remember, all this is done within about 3 feet of your router. And it's signing up and all that, so I'm just going to pause it real quick. Okay, there we go, my friends. Oh my goodness. I was using my old network password, and I was like, why is it not connecting? I literally spent like 15-20 minutes trying to connect. I'm like, this is not working. And then I realized I was using the incorrect password. So once you put in the correct password, it works just fine. Let's go outdoor. See? Okay, confirm, add device successfully, and then you can add the second one, same thing. Playback, we can just play this one right now. It's upside down, but here we are in the studio right here on my phone. There's my little 360 view here of my, and let's get even weirder. The phone, on the phone, on a camera, on the camera, on the phone, just goes for infinity and beyond. Whoa. So, that's it. That's pretty cool. And you can listen to sound and stuff on there too. See, standard definition, you do high definition, go to full screen, whatever you want to do on here. So that's pretty cool. Now we can just go install this, but the setup was super easy. Once I got the right password, it literally only took a couple seconds there. Then it has events. Some it has active thing on there. It can tell you that. I believe we can change, let's see, infrared vision. We got a siren, motion detection. What if I do the siren? Has a little siren there. Infrared is on. We got night vision, motion detection's on, sensor, all that. It's going to give you alerts on your app when that comes on there. Let's go actually set it up outside and we can see what it looks like. Okay, here for you go, friends. We just use a little template and you can put your screws in there wherever you want it on that little template. Here you have it, and have this mounted. You want to make sure you get plenty of sunshine at least half the day. So we got the sun right up there and then over here. If you put it under your eaves, I just want to be careful that there is going to be enough sunlight there. So here I have like on an open cable. So right here, it's going to get at least half the daylight's worth of sun. Should be plenty to keep it all charged up. So there's that. Super easy to set up and plug in. And then we're going to show you like the night vision camera here as well. And I think I can turn on the little siren here for you guys too. There's a little siren on there. It's not like the loudest thing you ever heard, but it is at the middle of the night or something that goes off that's going to be kind of distracting. And then I can show you guys the video here, what it looks like outside, and then regular daytime, and then infrared at night. Okay friends, so here I am in my backyard, walking around my little tent here, and pretty much just live right here. It shows me a readout at the top there, what my connection rate is. And you can allow this to use your app to the phone. You can listen to what's going on around you and different things like that. You can talk to someone if they want to. Hey, you can have some feedback on there because of the situation. Hear the dogs barking. I'm going to turn off the audio there. Okay, so there I am, just walking around in my backyard. As you can see, this is a really good picture here. I believe this is high definition. It definitely looks like it. And oh, almost tripped over my guide wire there. All right, friends, here I am outside. It's dark out. It's midnight, and the lights are off. You can still see that night vision works pretty good here. There I am looking at the camera. So yeah, all in all, my friends, I think this works pretty nice. The connection seems decent. You can access your camera from basically wherever you want to. Nice that you don't have to hardwire them or anything, with just going off of the solar panels to power them, and then you hook up your Wi-Fi, and yeah, you can monitor your house and your area from basically anywhere in the world that you have an internet connection. So pretty cool device here, super easy to set up. Like I said, once you get the password right, you know your password. It only took about 30 seconds to sync it to my internet, and then an installation takes just a few seconds, and then you're good to go. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.